Rain is a natural phenomenon that occurs when water droplets in the atmosphere condense and fall to the ground. It is an essential part of the Earth-water cycle and is necessary for the survival of all living beings. Rain forms when warm air rises into the atmosphere and cools, causing the water vapor in the air to condense into clouds. As more water vapor condenses, the clouds become saturated and release their water in the form of rain. Types of rain. There are several types of rain, including light rain, a gentle, steady rain that falls from low-hanging clouds. Heavy rain, a strong, intense rain that falls from tall, towering clouds. Thunderstorm, a rainstorm that produces thunder and lightning. Effect of rain. Rain has many benefits, including replenishing water sources. Rain helps to fill rivers, lakes, and reservoirs, which provide water for drinking, irrigation, and other uses. However, rain can also have negative effects, such as flooding. Heavy rain can cause rivers to overflow and flood nearby areas. Landslides. Rain can cause soil to become saturated and slide down hills, damaging homes and infrastructure.